Today I'm challenging myself to build my very own portable camping sink from scratch. Let's see if I can make it functional for my next outdoor adventure. Camping is an amazing way to connect with nature, but one of the biggest challenges we face is keeping clean. Limited water access and messy traditional washing methods can be a real hassle. When you're out in the wilderness, it's not always easy to find a reliable source of clean water. You might have to walk for miles or rely on purification tablets, which can be a real pain. Traditional washing methods can be pretty messy too. You got water splashing everywhere, soap suds getting in the way, and it's just a real hassle to clean up afterwards. This can be especially frustrating when you're trying to enjoy the great outdoors. You want to be able to focus on the beautiful scenery, the fresh air, and the sense of adventure, not worrying about how you're going to wash your hands. Dirty dishes and utensils can also be a major problem when camping. If you don't have a proper way to wash them, they can attract pests and create unpleasant odors. This can really put a damper on your camping experience. You want to be able to enjoy your meals, not worry about the mess you're leaving behind. In addition to these problems, traditional camping sinks can be heavy, bulky, and difficult to transport. They're often made of heavy materials, which can be a real hassle to carry around. This can be especially frustrating if you're hiking to a remote campsite. You want to be able to enjoy the journey, not struggle with cumbersome gear. To create my portable sink, I'll need a few essential materials, including a large plastic container, some PVC pipes, and a water pump. The plastic container will serve as the sink basin, while the PVC pipes will be used to create the faucet and drainage system. The water pump will allow me to easily fill the sink with water and drain it when I'm finished. I'll start by cutting the PVC pipes to the right length and assembling the faucet and drainage system. This will involve using some elbow joints and T-connectors to create a functional and efficient system. I'll also need to drill a few holes in the plastic container to attach the pipes and create a drain. As I assemble the sink, I'll make sure to test each component to ensure it's working properly. This will involve checking the water flow, making sure the drain is functioning correctly, and testing the overall stability of the sink. I'll also add some silicone sealant to ensure the pipes are securely attached to the container. With the sink assembled, I'll add some final touches, such as a soap dispenser and a towel holder. These will make the sink more functional and convenient to use. Mexico-sik. Sure bitanetloy, tomanekolem sink. Easy to transport and store. So it's ready for my next camping adventure. My portable sink is finally complete, and I'm excited to test it out. The sink is lightweight, compact, and easy to use, making it perfect for camping trips. The faucet and drainage system work flawlessly, and the sink basin is large enough to wash my hands and dishes comfortably. The sink is also very easy to set up and take down, which is a major advantage when you're camping. You don't want to spend a lot of time fussing with gear when you could be enjoying the great outdoors. The sink's compact design also makes it easy to store in my camping gear, so it's always ready to go. Having a portable camping sink has been a total game changer for my outdoor adventures. It's made it so much easier to keep clean and enjoy my time in nature. The sink is also very versatile and can be used for a variety of tasks. from washing dishes to filling up water bottles. As I use my portable sink, I'm reminded of just how much of a difference it's made in my camping experience. It's allowed me to focus on the things that matter most, like enjoying the scenery and spending time with friends and family. Having a portable camping sink is a total must-have for any outdoor enthusiast. It's easy to build, convenient to use, and makes a huge difference in your overall camping experience. If you've got any questions about building your own portable camping sink, or if you've got some tips to share from your own camping adventures, be sure to leave a comment below. And if you're looking for more DIY projects or outdoor gear reviews, be sure to check out my other videos.